Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, I show how no one can remix videos and reels and use them again on Instagram. Okay, so stay with me until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Let's go. Step 1. Open Instagram account. Click your profile account and click setting an activity. After click setting an activity, click sharing and remixes. Okay, I click sharing and remixes and then okay, this option here. Okay, what people can remix and reuse. For example, other reels, other reels of fade videos, other is of videos, photos. Okay, post. So here you can choose according to your personal opinion. For example, for example, for example. Okay, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tech on Tech.